basically, the main focus on my talk is that 5-axis CNC system, and you integrate to do whatever you want, like a circuit printing to like a channel, creating a channel for your circuits on a conformal surface. And in order to do that, I'm going to present to you why automatic tool changer is real necessary. So let's go through the some of the definitions of like a conformal surface printing. The conformal surface is not something that's slightly curved. We're talking about this kind of curve. That is the conformal. So it's more like a real 3D, like a 1:1:1 or 1:1 ratio, and it's a curvilinear, and also it's a near normal tool path. Let me just check. Oh, here we go. I don't know. Oh, doesn't work on the, does it? No. Anyway, so on the center section, so we want to print conductors, insulators, and structures. And you can see the structure on the bottom left. So what do you want to print? What kind of component you're printing? Are you printing interconnectors, antennas, or sensors? So here you can see on the bottom right, I picked it up from some Nano magazine, and it talks about all kinds of circuitry and all that. But instead of being on the surface, you really want those circuits inside. So you really need to, if you look at the left side photo, you can see all the circuits. It has the channels, and your processor will be kind of like embedded inside instead of being outside. So that is the our focus, putting everything inside the conformal surface. So there are some limitations of 3-axis, and also what are the benefits of 5-axis system? If you look at the left side, and if you're printing, whether it is a nanojet or the inkjet or the direct ink writing, if you're printing right in the center of it here, no problem. 3-axis system, great. Problem is once you start printing over here, you need to turn that thing so that your print nozzle is normal to your printing surface. That is the key benefit of the 5-axis system. So if you have a very slightly flowing surface, just 3-axis system is great. You don't need 5-axis. But if you really need to have this whole thing covered with whatever the components you're trying to print, definitely you need the 5-axis system. Oh, any questions so far? So what kind of conformal surface you want to do? You need to profile the surface, mill the channels, print the conductive ink in that channel. You might have to put it in some dielectric material to cover up the circuits. Pick and place the components, and then encapsulate, and you have to also create a testing ports for your system. And so, and as you can see on the bottom right, that is kind of like a circuitry that you want on the 5. That is the conformal surface, not something like, for example, here I have a little piece of paper like flowing a little bit like this. That's not a conformal surface, right? So it is very interesting, when I mentioned that our company, the printer's motion platform is CNC. We actually buy the CNC. And if you look at all the printing tools, for example, like inkjet or the aerosol jet and all this, or even the direct ink writing, we all use CAD system, correct? And we also use CAM system, which is designed to operate what kind of machine platform? CNC.